I had my bankruptcy back in 2011, 12, 13, stuff like that. It was a chapter 7 and then we did a chapter 13 on top.
Okay.
So fast forward to today, I checked my credit because I'm going to have to refinance my house here soon, and I checked my credit and I don't have any credit on there. It says unscorable and 3 dashes, and I thought, "Why is my mortgage not, uh, reporting?" So I called my mortgage, and I get Matthew Casper involved, and they're saying a reaffirmation form did not get filled out on chapter 7. Well, Matthew says that they don't need it, and it shouldn't be like that. They should have been reporting for the last 10 whatever years I've been out of bankruptcy. So
When you
that's the kind of pickle I'm in.
need a refinance.
I want to say by next year.
Oh, good. You have plenty of time.
Yeah.
So it's really simple for you. Very
Okay.
simple because you have no credit.
I have 3 dashes as my credit and it says unscorable.
It's going to be very simple for you. This is exactly what you want to do. This is not complicated. Go to 720creditscore.com. Then go right here. Credit cards to rebuild.
Credit cards to rebuild. Okay.
Pick any 3 of these. It doesn't matter. Just pick 3.
Okay. 3. Why
3.
3?
I'm just telling you the game. You need to establish roots. If
Okay.
you want to get a good mortgage rate, you gotta do this exactly like I'm telling you.
I'm going to do it.
You're gonna get 3 credit cards. It doesn't matter the interest rate. You're not gonna have them long.
Okay.
And then you're gonna come over here to the credit rebuilder program.
What if I don't get the credit cards?
You will.
Huh.
These are designed
Okay.
for people that have poor or no credit. And then you enroll into this, $39 a month.
39 a month. Okay.
And then what you do is you sign up for Credit Karma. You get free credit scores here. All you're doing is watching it for trend lines. They're going to say to you, hey, you need this credit card. No, you don't. Just follow the credit score moving up. Let's pretend you can't get any credit cards. Pretend.
Okay. Okay.
In the credit rebuilder program, once that reports, you're going to get credit cards a month after that. The credit rebuilder program, it reports your on-time payments to Experian, TransUnion, Equifax.
Oh, okay.
That's the key.
So that's what I have to do to start getting some credit.
You need to establish new credit.
What about buying a new car, a newish car?
Well, do you
That'd
need
be
a
a
car?
bad thing. My wife needs a car.
Oh, well, then that's a different story. If
Yeah.
you're gonna get a car,
Yeah.
here's the problem. If you're gonna get a car with no credit,
Yes.
you're gonna pay a high interest rate.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. I
So
understand.
so I'm gonna give you 2 options. One,
Okay.
get the car, and then that will be your installment line. It's gonna save you $39 a month. But
It's much more expensive, the car is, I'm sure.
oh yeah, well, the car is a lot more expensive
Yeah.
especially with a high interest rate.
I like your method better so far.
Well, then what you do is once you get a 720 credit score, you go get the car.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.